show you how to change or restore our colors from the display screen of the system. uh, for example, the color have been changed, or the some colors you can't see, or it turned into black and white. So in this video I'm going to show you. First you have to open settings, then open ease of access. So this is for Windows 10. Windows 11 I'll provide you as soon as I can in the description. So open ease of access, then color filter, then you have to off that thing. Use color filter, turn off use color filter. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.